So my name is Beth. I'm the director of a studio in Glasgow called Warriors. We're a traditional graphic design studio and creative consultancy. As well as Warriors, we also run a design and creative organisation called INTL. This was formerly Graphic Design Festival Scotland.
My name's James. I'm one of the directors of Warriors. And then as I got older, I thought I wanted to be an artist, but then realised that's quite different to what I really wanted to do. And when I discovered what graphic design was, that was it. I was good to go.
So I'm better at the early stages of the project, planning, organising what we're doing, coming up with the strategies. And James is very good at taking these ideas and creating something amazing. The workshop idea was James's idea. James loves a conspiracy theory. I fall into the other category and think it is all just junk. Okay, so James has a very open mind and I have a very cynical, closed mind.
I think conspiracy theories over the last few years have become so popular and almost normalised in the world. As designers, we realised it actually fits in very well with what we actually do. So design in itself is manipulating people, manipulating their actions, manipulating their feelings, manipulating their thoughts through visual and written information, which is essentially what graphic design is. And that's the basis of conspiracy theories as well, is manipulating people's minds, manipulating people's thoughts through visual and written information.
So this week, the students are making a conspiracy theory video, like you see on YouTube, that builds a narrative and is slightly scary and slightly funny. They're also designing a series of posters to promote this video, and then they will launch it into the real world. So we've worked with many French students. And this particular group for me, especially being Parisians, are very nice and very friendly and happy. And I think that says a lot about the university.
Yeah, I think their level of comprehension of the workshop has been absolutely fine. Yeah, I think they've understood everything, and anybody who hasn't has been very vocal. I think what a lovely bunch of people. What a nice group of folk. We just got such a good vibe from everybody on the call. We loved the way how everyone was introduced. We liked being told who's who, and everyone was just seemed happy, seemed organised, seemed professional, but very human and personal. So yeah, our impression of the school has been amazing so far.